All right, WMC, this is the video to randomize our unpicked teams for tonight's break number 11. All right, WMC, this is the video to randomize our unpicked teams for tonight's break number 11, which is one of the NFL mini helmets. So we'll check the time, February 4th at 10:27 a.m. We're going to, what happened here? What's going on? We're going to go over to the break and type live. We have February 4th at 10:27 a.m. There's the list of our 24 unpicked teams. We're just going to randomize this list and we'll match it back to our entry list. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 12. All right, 12 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We'll get the team list posted. You guys can trade teams if you like. We'll see you at 6:30 for the break.